Shout Hey, back again with another video though. It's a little too dark in here. Actually, I got a face. Wait, what do I got a face for? It to be a little lighter. Where do I gotta go? This is just too red. I could turn the light on, but I'm using my phone. Sorry. Unfortunately, I can't. But it's another video. It's another car meet video. The car meet starts at 3 this time. And shit, I don't fucking know. I don't know nothing about nothing else. I just know I'm supposed to get picked up and on some shit. But like here the fit though. Oh shit, I can't even show you like that. It's dark as fuck. Damn, bitch. It's dark as hell. The brightness a little bit on these motherfuckers. It's dark as fuck. It's dark as hell. Damn. But nah though. We getting ready to go to the car meet again. So I don't know. It was another car meet. I don't know where it's located at exactly. But the last time we went to a car meet, they called the cops on, and then we had to move locations. And then y'all seen the video. If y'all seen the video, y'all seen the video. If y'all didn't see the video, I guess y'all gotta go watch the video. But yeah, I think they had cops. But other than that, we left. And then we left it like that. But today there's another car meet. It's like later on, like more. It's a little more hot outside than it was last time. Cause last time it was low key fucking cold as hell. And I was not going. My toes was freezing. My hands was freezing. I didn't even want to record no more. Yeah, it was a little cold. It was a little chilly. But this time it's a little hot. It's hotter. So, on some chill shit. But I got on like a black tee, gray sweatpants, and my tracks. So I don't have to go around, walk around with my Crocs on because it doesn't even look right. But yeah, it's another car meet video. You gotta turn it back on when Alex and them came. You know, I mean, you already know Alex. You know Alex. You know all of them. You see them. You recognize them, I guess. All right, bye. Look at this motherfucker. This bitch is sexy. What the fuck is that sound?
Huh?
What the fuck is that sound?
Don't worry about that. Wow, bro. Let's crank it up, bro.
How you doing, brother?
Decent, bro. Excited.
It's time for a wash. Said it. Nah, this color looks so beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. How do I turn the camera without like stopping the video?
You can't.
What do you mean I can't?
You can't turn it.
Like,
You
damn.
can't the camera without stopping
The rims. The yellow Brimbos. Wait, I'm tweaking. It's blue. I'm retarded.
Yellow?
Yeah. I'm retarded. It's M performance. This bitch sex. Oh my god.
Just don't put the camera on the dam right here, bro. Keep that shit away.
Good. This shit is hard though. Why y'all decide to come over here to wash it? Why don't you just wash it like y'all usually do? While y'all at home. I went you in on the detail and shit.
Cause I don't do detailing, bro. They some lazy ass detailers.
So basically, they saying that y'all weak ass detailers if y'all watch this video.
I'll tell them they get good, bro.
Damn. So you ain't even gotta lie.
Nope.
I don't know. Being, I thought he got the new car already.
Alright, good. Hey, what's up, back up?
Woo. I see.
Let's go to the next one.
Huh?
Let's go to the next one.
He said go to the next one. Oh, yeah. There's somebody in there. Oh, that should stop. Irritating. But where the part at? Take it mad long, bro. I gotta pee. Huh?
That one?
Yeah, I'll take it. Wait, I don't know how to put it on. You do that. You took my car apart. Fuck no. I don't want that. What the hell? Oh. Ah!
What's up, man?
Trying to kill me. No.
Hurry it up, man.
Yeah, you gotta hurry up, man. Huh? You ain't bringing extra fucking thing? Why don't you bring an extra what's the name?
Well, hopefully they're charged.
You don't charge them? You don't charge them?
I haven't used them in a while.
Hey, charge in the car. You can charge it. It's actually Type C. It's a USB plug. It's a USB plug. Damn, you don't have a little piece that you can do it?
I took it out because I thought I'll get it in the car.
Oh my god. Stop. Kill me, bro. Damn, bro, you still doing this shit? Hurry up.
They got the dry towel?
Huh?
They got the dry towel?
I don't know.
Hey, George.
I never used it before.
George, you got the dry towel? Get that mug. Damn, wow, that's some flick right there, bro.
Why would he do that?
It's loud, bro.
Why?
I hope the camera does justice, man.
What
A
camera?
lot of the time, it's a lot quieter on camera. Fucking soap, bro. The phone burst. You lose that? I let the phone come out on top. Oh.
You look like Jesus now. You're back. You're back to your Jesus. Your Chewy's no more.
Choose what?
Chewy's no more.
Choose no more?
Yeah,
What's talking about?
like he's back to Jesus. The hair.
Oh.
Yeah, there's still something. I don't know.
This how it fucking sucks.
Look at him working. finally fucking almost done cleaning this shit.
Yeah, man.
Took like 2 years, bro.
This ain't a fast process, bro. Especially with this town.
It's a weak ass out. Damn true.
It's only bring my black line too.
He said your towel is a weak ass towel.
Bro. Of course it is, man. What brand is it?
I don't even know, bro. She got no brand.
Guys in the garbage can, man.
That's right. What does Cesar do? You go check on him. I know, but like, what part is he on? Look at his ass. Can't tell me that's not Aaron Yeager. Nah, it's Zeke Yeager.
Come on, dude.
What's up, man?
I'm throwing some wax.
That's wax?
Huh?
That's wax?
Yeah, I'm throwing some wax. I think it is at least. I'm throwing the wax.
You back away in case he just stains my clothes. Oh, chill.
That's good, no?
Ah, bro. You think he got a camera? He better than me, bro.
You got a, what is that?
Huh?
What is that?
iPhone
iPhone.
16 Pro Max.
Damn. Pro Max, bro. You hear this guy?
I got the pro. Rich millionaire, bro.
I'm not a rich millionaire, man. I got like $90 left on this phone. If I was rich, I would have had 2 phones, so I have one to record, one to see. But I'm not a rich millionaire like this guy. He got 2 phones.
Bro, I use my other phone, bro.
Exactly, bro. He doesn't even use it.
13, bro.
That's still a phone, bro. And you got 2 phones
And
too.
you got that shit for free, bro.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, you got 2 phones
Exactly,
too.
bro.
See, so both of y'all rich millionaires.
Exactly. I couldn't pay for it, bro. I'm not rich.
Yeah,
But you still got-
so rich, bro. They gifted it to you, bro. I had to slave for my shit.
Fun,
For real.
Fun. You got jokes today too, right now,
Alright, we good now?
Yeah, let's go.
We good now?
Now we gotta go check on Cesar. What you gotta say, bro?
Huh?
What you gotta say, bro?
I gotta say, fuck this dude.
Let's see your dress.
I just left it, bro.
Bro.
Yeah, rich millionaire, bro.
Huh?
Why is there a tow truck?
Somebody probably didn't pay his shit.
Boy, I ain't recording this. You already know. Get up.
It's a small meat.
Huh?
It's a small meat.
What?
It's a small one.
Yeah.
I didn't even know it was small meat. What the hell? I still gotta pee. Hold on. Can you not rush me, brother? I gotta pee, bro. Ooh, some nice ass cars.
My shit died, bro.
For real? You trying to be my cameraman? Huh? Trying to be my cameraman?
Oh, can I get the airtime now? My shit cooked now.
What do you mean?
Windows.
I know, since February. Did you guys go to that one?
Trying to be my cameraman now?
You went in? What's up, man? You went in?
My brother.
It is clean.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man. Isaac. Oh, shit, I know you're pretty here. My bad. Nice to meet you, man. Isaac. Chewy.
Gene.
I'm one of the hosts of the meets. They always came to my meets. It gets popping. Just gotta wait for a little bit.
Alright.
And then everybody slowly starts coming in.
Alright.
Unless you want it out here. It's up to y'all. Just let y'all know y'all went down the one way. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
But y'all good. Nobody really be tripping. But if y'all want, you guys can move over there closer. So, I don't know. We'll probably leave at 5. Then we're gonna hit on for like Cabela's. Yeah. I'm just waiting for a bunch more cars. The only reason why it's so short and so late, I mean so early, I got my dad's birthday today. I couldn't miss the 2-year anniversary. Appreciate y'all coming, man. It's dead right now, but I'm happy you guys are here to tell your boys like it gets busy.
Yeah. It gets decent.
It gets decent, yeah. But happily nobody's done no burnouts or anything like that. So next week or in 2 weeks, I'm gonna do a big meet like I normally would do. Probably go hit the city and fuck some shit up.
Sounds good.
That's
You know what
their-
day?
Probably a Saturday, yeah. Or probably a Friday. When you work,
I'm Tuesday to Saturday. Like, all that.
I'll let you know. What do you need a week?
Oh, look at that Subaru. That shit sexy.
I got you. I'll probably, that one's gonna be like more flyer beforehand.
This nigga camera
But
died.
I ain't gonna lie.
Why don't you charge it, bro?
I'm
charging it right now.
Just happy no
Hopefully it's
bullshit's happening. That's the only
You
thing
got
I
it.
do. My boy might bring it to you.
Alright.
That's a TK.
Imagine. Why don't you make sure, bro? You knew about this meat for like a long time.
But like, I got lazy.
So if I would have asked for it, you would have charged me to give it to me.
Nah, it was in my car. So,
What the
I,
fuck? It's charging.
you know,
You gotta turn on the car.
hey man, might have to turn on the car.
Why?
That shit not
This
charging.
shit not charging. Don't turn it on all the way. No, it's not.
STI?
No, it's not, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna die, man. It's probably gonna die. You got
My shit don't do that.
Alex's car is
Spider, bro.
You could charge it here.
You got USB
Hell
charger?
no, I'm not turning that shit on because everybody gonna. Do I got what? I got.
Well,
Yeah, I got like every charger in this thing.
you can charge without having it on?
You could just have it
These
in
motherfuckers.
accessory mode, no? Oh, this one has more gas. How many gas you have? I got like.
Like he just burnt his whole fucking gas tank trying to do all them fucking pops and shit.
So was I.
Not as much, bro. You do not get 8 miles per gallon.
It's twin turbo.
Damn.
What the fuck?
I get
Oh.
8 miles per gallon, bro.
Whose fault is that, bro?
Look, Joey.
Mine.
Exactly,
Bro,
bro.
I like
Yeah.
to rip it. But does your car need to be on or off?
I gotta pee bad.
Yeah. Appreciate it, bro.
Trying to go to the CJ Maxx.
I might have to go to TJ Maxx.
Should have told KT to slide, bro.
Somebody's in Arizona, bro.
Nah, he just came back. I seen him yesterday.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I should have been like, yeah, this shit mine.
Shit
That's
is
Jeep right
coming
there,
back.
bro.
Where?
This motherfucker slipping, bro.
Heard, man.
I had,
I heard the tire screech.
an M2.
That bitch was squeaking, bro.
Should I hold it like more up this way? Instead of like this? It seems like I'm just filling the fucking air.
Like this, bro.
It's like that, man. Professional already. Look at you.
Look at you.
I
That
look,
shit
you
hurt
missed my
arm.
exit over here, so I had
Huh?
to come all the way over here, bro.
Get what?
I followed it. I was
Today.
following you, bro.
It's like $10.
I forgot the shit. I didn't see. And then I almost missed it over here, bro. I had to brake hard as hell.
That's the one you went through a one way to, like, you know, where you could just set up on the floor.
Yeah. I see. I know what you mean.
What?
The
'Cause
tripod.
you know the one that I got from the Wisconsin. That
shit
low-key
wants
that shit broke already.
glass
Cause,
my
Wow, fuck.
the camera is fat and heavy.
Yeah.
You use the wax. I try to like set it up.
I do the
Whoa,
it's
whoa,
heavy.
what video you try to
fucking soap
record with
one,
it?
and then I do high pressure.
What video
soap,
you try to
and I
record
wash
with it?
You talking about the purple one?
Well, I just try to set it up.
Oh,
Just
okay.
to see if it works
The wax
or
that
not.
comes out the gun.
Oh no, I don't use it.
That shit glass my shit.
They got some
bro.
decent cars over here already, though.
Bro, what could
It's mainly BMW. I gotta pee so bad.
What happened
so,
there, man?
bro. We could be recording right now, bro.
This paint scratched the fuck up. You need to get the car off, man.
Who's you, bro? My brother needs
This was my talk to him real quick. I'm trying to steal his car. It's fucking 12 is just sitting right there. Hey man, what you got there, man? I don't think it's charged that much.
Hey, man.
At least the other one is charging though.
Yeah. Hey!
Cesar!
Hey!
There's some nice ass cars. Why they just sitting there looking? So why the cops just sitting over there looking? You should be my cameraman.
No. How you supposed to be
Be
my
your
camera?
cameraman. He bailed.
Hell no, man. Nah, I gotta film.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's
I don't know
super
which
clean.
lens should I use. Should I use the wide ones or the other ones? Cause this one you can't really like zoom
And
in.
close range, like wide range, so you just capture a lot of stuff in general.
Yeah.
So just use a wide range.
What's going on,
They gonna think
guys?
it's his ass, right?
What's going on,
Just chilling, man.
Wait for people to pull up and shit. Oh, you got another group of people that pulled up?
Had a little group.
Little group.
That's super clean as fuck. I want that super.
Get his ass right into the line, bro.
I couldn't see Chicago.
South Chicago.
Isn't it?
What the fuck is that?
You might want to go check that out, bro.
Hmm?
Kind of like a bomb, bro.
You good, bro? Why you just looking like that? Alright. He looks hard though. Next to the day, thought right. Backwards? Hello? I'm trying to be different, bro. Everybody parked up over there. We parked over here.
Fuck, I'm gonna park over here, bro, away from everybody.
You're right.
Step out.
Fucking garbage, bro. What you gotta say for yourself, bro? You should really record, Gangy. I say you should really record, Gangy. Why you don't want to record? Why you behind me? What do you mean?
What is all this?
Yeah, turbo, man, big turbo. Parking intake, bro. Oh, bro, these shields everywhere, bro. S5. You know my brother almost got an S5 instead of an S4? Let's make the bunk over here, right?
too. Come over here. So you can go over there. But like everything is just so fucking beautiful, man. Not gonna lie. This shit is like it's a nice ass scene though.
Hey, we're gonna get copyrighted.
This is not copyrighted music. That's why they put it here. 'Cause it's not copyrighted. Yeah, just keep standing for me.
Have my fucking beard up, bro.
You should get a stand like a.
What?
You should get a thing. Oh. So you don't always have to like hold your camera like that. Gets annoying.
Yeah, break that, bro. Oh, the G80? The M3? Oh, yeah.
What is that?
Satin black. This is satin black. Oh, what car is it?
Yeah.
An M3. It's a G80. Wrong.
I don't know who this is.
Activating launch control.
What do you mean?
Look at the screen. Can you see it?
Uh-huh.
Launch control active.
Wait, are you?
Did you turn off the thing that he told you to turn off? The thing?
Yeah, it's off.
How about? Pull up the e-brake. Hold the brake just a tiny bit. And blow it, and then take off the e-brake.
You might have to watch that video again.
I have to watch that video again, cuz.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. He went away. He literally just left.
He did it though.
He did do it. That shit was hard. A little bit. He needs more. He needs to stay here. Fuck with him. You hear that?
Good.
I think I pressed on the brake a little bit too late and not enough. So I just get
How you do it?
Huh?
How you do it?
So I don't press on any brake at all. I just fucking floor it. And then it starts fucking. It just goes. It starts spinning.
Do you hear that in the back?
What?
Yeah. Do it again?
Yeah, it's
What's
just
that?
a fucking M Sport. Big thing that says M Performance or whatever. Just to go.
Do it again. I don't know if you want to.
Got leave tire marks?
Nah.
Nah.
Yeah. Just cleaned it. Yeah, he just cleaned the road. He didn't really do much.
Do it again?